video is the reveal video. We wanted to show you guys the car.
The 2010 Leon Cupra R, the 2-litre TFSI, the same one that's in the Golf R, the Audi S3, except this comes 70 kilos lighter than the Golf R, and it doesn't come with four-wheel drive, it's front-wheel drive. Two things to quickly note: we clean the car ourselves. We are not professional detailers, so you will see like dried swirl marks and stuff like that. And secondly, these stupid trees, especially that one, look on the floor, it's just everywhere. So we picked off what we could for the video, but you can see there's still some dotted around. Anyway, you can see this reveal video is a bit late because we've done a lot to the car. We filmed a lot of videos, so you can obviously see the RamAIr oversized air intake and all the way to the turbo. We've done a lot of maintenance on this. Videos will be coming soon. We just wanted to get this one out there and show people around. Quick note about videos to come: the RamAIr installation, we've already put that one out. Done a short shifter installation, so just the throw between first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is shorter. Changed the PCV valve, again that will be shown. Changed the cam follower, which can basically just kill your engine. It has a Revo sticker for some reason,
But no Revo map. There's also a video on my wrapping skills.
I broke that plastic and that plastic. Normally there's inserts. So let's go over the spec. We don't have the bi-xenon headlights, so it's just normal halogen lights. I've done LED side bulbs, which again we'll show you in a video. The wipers, this is its resting position. It doesn't rest at the bottom like most cars. When it does come to changing the wipers, you'll see in one of the weekly vlogs, which we'll link here once it's out.
I changed them.
You need to go in, press the wiper stalk down once, and it'll go to the service position. You can lift it up. Power folding mirrors, so I've got it set to when you turn the ignition, it'll come out. Again, we clean the car ourselves, so it's not going to be perfect. I'm a fan of the interior, I really like it. I've had Audis, Golfs, all of that. But I do like the Seat interior. People say it's the budget version, but I don't think so. So you've got your diamond stitch leather seats, Cupra badging on these two. These are also the Recaro seats. If you look in the back, there is also diamond leather stitch seats, which I really like. Come through to the front, so you've got, as standard with most cars, but this is a 2010, you've got auto lights, so it has a convenience pack, auto wipers on this stalk, so you just change the sensitivity. This is the gauge cluster, which again, it grew on me. I wasn't really a fan of at first compared to like Audi, but I really like it now. I've recoded this using OBD11, so we'll be putting out a few videos on how to just adjust that, get miles an hour in there, ambient temperature, stuff like that. And we just filled her up yesterday, which is good. So as standard, this car is 265 horsepower. You can see it's a manual, and we got it mapped by Tuning Works. So now the car should be running about 300 to 310 horsepower. In the dry, it does grip nicely. In the wet, no chance. The third gear, you're still wheel spinning. It's going all over the place. You're fighting it. Flat bottom steering wheel, I am definitely going to change this. I just need to figure out, I think if you try to tinker with this, the airbag might go off, so I'm going to research it properly. I'm going to get this grey off.
He wants me to wrap it.
Yeah, either wrap it in carbon or we'll spray it gloss black. Obviously 3 pedals, so it's a manual, which I am a fan of. I've had my last 2 cars are auto, so the Audi S4 B6, the V8 one, and the Golf R were both auto. Yeah, it's quicker, but I do really enjoy driving a front wheel drive manual car. It's good fun. Especially when you have to tame the beast, as everyone says. Auto, climate, dual climate, all of that stuff. At the time, this is the upgraded navigation. So there is this sort of theme where it's like a black square, black grey, black grey. It sort of gives a carbon look. So this piece, and this piece will be wrapping most likely in carbon blue. Again, in the future. Got 2 cup holders, which most cars don't come with. So we're really happy with that. Technically you have 3, but you can't really fit a cup in there. It has folding mirrors here, so if you just twist this, they fold. Funny story, when we picked up the car, I was telling Swati, oh yeah, I need to adjust the mirrors while we were driving. And she twisted it to there and the mirrors just folded in. I was like, what? I can't see nothing. And we're moving and it's in traffic, and I was like, that was bad. So we've changed all of the bulbs. Again, we'll put out another video of that. So white LED bulbs here, white LEDs here. Same in the rear, the glove box.
guys have any creative criticism, any advice for us, please do leave it in the comment section down below, because it really helps us in creating our videos and making sure that they're actually to the standard that you guys want to see. We're not making these videos for ourselves, we're making them for you. So tell us, you know, what you want to see and what kind of edits you want to see and stuff like that, and we'll do our due diligence in researching how to make it happen, and we'll try our best to make it as interactive and as interesting as possible.